Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy tuna and avocado salad. It's an easy, healthy lunch idea, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has my recipe as well as loads of ideas for adaptations, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. I'm going to start with a bed of spinach leaves. I popped this into a little container so you could just make it up and take it out for lunch, or make it ahead of time and just keep it in the fridge, and when you're ready for lunch it's ready and waiting for you. And I've opened up the tin of tuna and we'll just top it with tuna. Whatever size tuna tin you have, just add as much or as little as you like. Just like that. And next, avocado. I've opened mine up. It actually looks pretty good, so I'm just going to slice some up and pop it on top. There we go. And we'll just dot a bit of goat cheese around, just like that. Add on a few shakes of salt. Now you could of course enjoy this salad just like this, but I do like adding a bit of dressing to it by way of a bit of olive oil, so I'm just going to measure out, not even a tablespoon, just add that, and then kind of add in a bit of the sour cream, just dot it around the place. I've only got a teaspoon or so here. You can add a tablespoon, you can add as much as you want. I just like a little bit for some creaminess. So that is how to make this beautiful tuna and avocado salad full of so much flavor, and as you can see there's loads of variations. I may have added everything into the salad, but you can just pick and choose whichever you like, and check down below for the blog post which will have loads of ideas for adaptations, how to put this salad together and to adapt it to your taste, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the salad a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.